How to download other login informations on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to download other login informations on Facebook mobile. First thing, go to Facebook and then click these three lines here in the top corner and go down, click settings and privacy and then settings, and now click this one, download your information, and then click this select all and go down until you find this one, other login information. Click on it and then click create file, and after you click on it, just wait until the file will be created. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and see you in the next video.